In this video I will show you how to make these posters. Select background color. Add text and insert image. Decrease opacity that you should be able to see text. Press Ctrl+T for free transform. Then adjust image size and position. Reset opacity to 100. Right-click on image layer and select clipping mask. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate image layer. Select subject and click on mask icon. Duplicate text layer and drag top of all layers. Decrease fill to 0%. And add clipping mask again. Double-click on copy text layer to open blending options. Choose stroke and apply following settings. Open blending options again, choose drop shadow and apply following settings. Add other texts and choice color. Thanks for your watching.